Hi everyone, this is teacher Sandra. So in this video, we'll be doing the division model. Okay, let's read the question. The total mass of Sam and Dawn is 44 kilograms. Dawn is heavier than Sam by 16 kilograms. And we're supposed to find the mass of each boy. Okay, now, the clue in the question, heavier than. Heavier than suggests that they are comparing. Yeah, they're comparing Dawn and Sam. And if they're comparing means we will draw a comparison model. So what's a comparison model? We draw two bars, one long, one short. Okay, so what else do they tell us? I need to label the model now, right? I need to label the names. So the question tells us that Dawn is heavier. So if Dawn is heavier, Dawn will be the longer bar. Okay, so Dawn is the longer bar means Sam is the shorter bar. What next? Dawn is heavier by 16 kg. So what does the 16 kg means? Heavier by 16 kg. That refers to the difference. Okay? And so where do I put this 16 kg in the model? Where in the model is the difference? The difference is the part that is sticking out. So which part am I talking about? There you go. That part that's sticking out. That's the difference. So which means we'll put 16 kg there. That is 16 kg. Okay? Now let's look at the other clues in the question. They tell us that the total mass of Sam and Dawn is 44 kg. So I can put the total right here. Okay, the two of them weighs 44 kg. And the question wants us to find the mass of each boy, meaning we need to find Dawn and we need to find Sam. So, what's the first thing we need to do? I'm going to have to first take away that extra part. So what do I mean by taking it away? The total is 44. I will take 44 minus 16. Okay, so I'm left with 28. Now look at the model. Do you notice that if I take away that 16, I cross that out, right? I'm left with the two blue parts here. And do you notice that there are two equal parts? Okay, so two equal parts. If they are equal means what can we do? 28 refers to those two equal parts. So if they are equal means we can divide. So I'm going to take 28 divided by 2. And I get 14. So where's 14? Let's indicate in the model. 14 would be each part. Alright. Now, we need to find Sam. So I think we already found Sam, isn't it? Sam is 14 kg. That's the 1 unit over there. Okay, now let's look at Dawn. How heavy is Dawn? Dawn is there, okay. So Dawn would be made out of two parts, right? Which is 14 kg and the second part, 16 kg. So meaning the mass of Dawn would be the whole thing, which is 14 plus 16. And that adds up to 30 kilograms. So Dawn is 30 kg. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next.